Up are here today at Shrewsbury City Campus to teach kids about theatre. We've given them a short course of an introduction to theatre. They've learnt about props, costume, stage, scenery, dance, movement, and how to build their confidence and how to project their lines on stage. City Campus students were great today. They seemed to get stuck in with every activity that we provided today. They seemed to love the props, the scenery making, and they impressed us with their confidence and their ability to learn lines and dance in such a short time.